Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome to my channel Unique Astro. I am Saroj Kumar Samar. Today in this video I am going to tell you all about Saturn's transit effect in Capricorn. And in the end part of this video I will tell you about its effect when it goes retrograde. And Saturn is already retrograde when I am making this video. See, I am already late making this video because actually Saturn transited into Capricorn on 23rd of January 2020. Yet I will try to give a synopsis about the result of its transit and its retrogression effect. See, when Saturn transits over its own sign Capricorn or Makar, it starts looking for large-scale socially ordered consensus and its reality. It starts finding the reality of the society, and then it starts focusing on making a hierarchy in society, making peace in society. Saturn here is not concerned about anyone's personal things like personal benefits. If I am thinking about my personal benefit and looking after the social uh, looking and I will, if I ignore the society, then this is not what Saturn wants. Saturn always make a specific approach, and it works against individualistic approach, one's intelligence or unique qualities. Individual uniqueness is one of the traits of Sun, and Saturn hates the traits of Sun. Saturn always works for the large public, for those people in the society who are ignored, for those for whom no one listens to them, for the workers, for the general public, for the lower class people. Because when they want to say something and if there is some problem with to them, people talk about them, but they actually don't do anything about them. And Saturn actually don't like this, and Saturn wants to do something about them. Saturn actually represents these all people. So Saturn here start teaching the world about social responsibility and makes you a group man. It starts ending your individualistic characteristics. Sunny or Saturn starts organizing the world into hierarchy. A social pattern is organized. Since Saturn is a lawful planet, Saturn is law abiding planet. It is always concerned with the public and organization at lower level. The thing of public life, one's public image or your double standard is demolished. With what image you can influence the society for your own personal benefit, those all images will be demolished. You will not be given personal benefit or personal preference just because you hold a certain office or you have lots of money. You will be treated equally at this time. Equally similar to the treatment the unheard people gets. They will be heard and even you will be heard, and you will be given equal treatment as those people are getting. The thing of public life and one's public image are shattered. Your double standard will be demolished. Slowly, public starts knowing your reality or the real image. The real you will be known. It is a slow process. Saturn transits and moves very slowly. It works very slowly. And you will lose your individual charisma. This is how Saturn is in the Capricorn works. Saturn here starts regulation of large-scale public behavior. Saturn, while in transit to Scorpio, shows very little concern about the individual or private nature or singular behavior. Sorry, here I should have said Capricorn. And especially if this Capricorn sign happens to be in someone's 12th or 4th house, then you see they will be doomed. And this placement should be checked from Lagna. Then for such native, this Saturn's transit will regulate the native private life and will slowly impose its own rule by creating public order upon these natives, and personal environment of these natives will be shattered. Native may start losing their patience and feel lifetime slow. For those people who have Capricorn in their 4th house or 12th house in their birth chart, for those people this time will be very bad. They may get so many mental pressures. How? They will have their own personal matters, and for that they will just focus on them. But Saturn will create such situations that will make them to look outside and ignore their personal things, and whatever will happen outside will influence these people very greatly. Like if you are having your job in private companies, something will happen and those private company will start losing its impact and resources, and it will get closed. So your personal life will get affected. This is what this Saturn will do for you. Normally, Saturn in Capricorn is focused on a class and social hierarchy. Here Saturn's attention is towards regulation of social behavior and lawful consequences. Slowly, people who manage law and gives healing to services to society will be given its due importance. They will turn into real savior. Those who thinks and works at large for society will start gaining importance. See, like police, like doctor, these all people are like astrologers. These all people actually works for you. They always try to make you get peace and healing. Police, they maintain law and order so that you can be peaceful. If something happens to you, they really take care. And those people who in the police who really thinks about you, take care about you, their personal traits will be enlarged. They will be given attention. Doctors who really saves lives, these all people will be given attention. People who thinks about public benefit, these all will gain attention. And for this of his behavior and for this of his work that Saturn wants to achieve, Saturn will use its tool of ignorance, delay, scarcity, anxiety, and fear. With this tool, Saturn will ensure that the common public is awakened and start making efforts at ground level. So it will make sure that those who care for real common people will get active and will organize themselves. Normally, for every work that Saturn does, it always look for the comfort of the people at lowest levels in hierarchy. So it seeks their support. In start, for 6 months, there will be many changes and ups and downs in the society, and its lowest level people will start gaining consciousness and will start realizing the power of unity. This Saturn will teach them to be organized and will make them to be organized. So they will start behaving in organized manner. Slowly, the other people who are trying to make them getting organized will also gain importance. To achieve his task and goal, Saturn will even permit superstition, and too much cruelty by a section or sect will bring large epidemic situation. If it is known by Saturn that this social abyss or situation is going to facilitate social conformity and hierarchy. At first, Saturn will support rules made by government, its regulations and step-wise ascents to support its agenda of bringing uniformity and hierarchy, and then slowly it will make people unite and take down government if it is necessary to safeguard those lower level people. At first, we must know that Saturn is a taskmaster, like a union leader. Saturn is not a ruler. It is a contractor or like a union leader that may manage public or life of common people, and then it will think about their need and it will communicate the need of their fellow workers to the ruling society and class. Saturn, to bring peace among both the class like ruling class and working class, supports hard labor, encourages its fellow mates to work hard, accepts heavy workloads, use all necessary efforts, but at the same time it looks for the comfort of those who listens to them. And thus, like, I am a union leader and I am working somewhere, there are a lot of people who is working with me. I am working and there are a lot of people who is working with me, so I will make sure that work that has been demanded from us is met. I will do my hard work. I will also ask my fellow mates to do their hard work. At the same time, I will make sure that whatever discomfort that I am facing and my fellow workers are facing while doing their hard work, like their family and all other needs, must be well satisfied. So for that, I will communicate even with the people who are getting benefited by my hard work. Those people are ruling people, they have resources, and we are the worker. We are utilizing their resources for their benefit. So they must be responsible for our works. They must give some share of their benefit to us. So both the class will be equally benefited. I am getting my work and he is getting his resources and he is getting his work done. So Saturn acts as a taskmaster, not master, taskmaster, and it maintains the chain between both the society. And Saturn always makes sure that the lowest level people must be heard. And you must know this. Capricorn Saturn is a realistic Saturn. It is not a daydreamer. It is not daydreaming like this will happen, like that will happen. He knows he needs to work in order to achieve its daily to daily needs. I need to work to feed myself, to have food available for me. To be able to agitate or strike your stomach should be well fed. There is a one proverb in Hindi that Kabir said, "Bhukha bhajan, bhukha pet bhajan na hoy." By your empty stomachs, you can't pray God and you can't do anything else. If your stomach is empty, you will always think about feeding yourself first, and then you will think about any other things. So, to organize or to agitate or to plan to work for social change, you must have some backups. So Saturn actually start working for these backups. So in order to achieve higher goals, one's life must be well organized so as to sustain those situations of agitation or sudden events. So it brings such situations so as to make the public well informed and start getting organized. Here Saturn then starts the inquiry and starts questioning the governing bodies, and it says, we did whatever you asked. Now where is your part of bargain? You should take care for us, but if you are not taking care for us, you must be made responsible. Slowly, Saturn starts revealing the injustice and starts lifting the curtains of injustice. It reveals how the higher law has been working and bringing injustice. It reveals how these high laws and frameworks are just made to bring injustice to us. We are not given proper due. We are working, we are listening. See, if government is saying thali bajao, what is thali bajao? Like make sounds certain days. We do, everyone follows government commands. And later on, what? If we need resources, we need things to sustain our life. And if government is not doing that, then why we should follow those government? We must start planning to bring down that government and change the government, because if that is not changed, no one will come and listen to us. And for that, everyone should be organized. There should be peace in society, so that when we start agitating or bringing that social changes or slow changes, there should not be any situation for failing. Under Saturn's regime, the social system must be reliable and governable with no exceptions. In Capricorn, all these systems, government systems, and all these resources are left open to the Saturn. So Saturn make great use of this. Last time when Saturn was in Capricorn, India and world faced lots of financial reforms. Lots of financial reforms came into India. Manmohan Singh, he came into picture when Saturn was in Capricorn last time. Those all financial reforms that was done in India happened specifically when Saturn was in Capricorn. USSR degraded, United States, Soviet Union degraded. Now there is only Russia. Before it was Russia was union of so many countries. Russia became unitary government. India saw rise of lot many social and janta leaders. So many leaders and janta leaders, social leaders that have their government even now actually started back then in 90s. Mulayam Singh Yadav, Lalu Yadav. Later on they became greedy or whatever, I don't know. People say. But in starting they were like those union leaders. They were like common people. These all people, they were very common people. Lalu Yadav had no existence before. Mulayam Singh was not from a very good family. These all people were the lower people who actually represented lowest level society, and they actually worked for them, and that is why they gained importance and they formed their government. Lots of states started getting their own government of public level or of local level, and brought lots of social reforms. OBC reservations that you all know started back then in 90s. State law became more prominent. State saw rise of local politics. Congress dominance was for the first time challenged, and before that Congress was always having their peak. But in 90s, for the first time, Congress dominance was at its lowest level. The result of this transit of Saturn makes sure that native is not just influenced by personal level, but it brings changes at large social and national level. This all Saturn transit effect that we are even facing now is bringing change not just at personal level, but even society, national and international level. Everyone is getting affected. Planets that can check this plan of Saturn in Capricorn includes its all-time opponent. What are those? The Sun, the Moon, the Mars, or the all-time opportunist Rahu. Actually, Rahu is one of the tool of Saturn. Saturn, whenever it wants to do any work, it takes and it uses the method of Rahu. But Rahu is also an opportunist planet. Wherever it says things that that party is having greater influence, it goes to other party also. The Mars is one of the tool of government to check this Saturn's plan. And you know, Rahu is also the tool of chaos. Rahu brings chaos and it benefits from that chaos. That is why Rahu is opportunist. It always thinks about their own self benefit. So, to win an election, what does a political leader do? It brings chaos into society. It gives wrong information into the society. It shows another picture of the society, and people start thinking and getting influenced by that perception. And then we vote to a people whom we should not have voted. This is all happens because of Rahu. To win an election, every political leader use the method of Rahu. For this, so for Saturn's influence at individual level, we need to see the placement of these planets as well. Here now, we must know how this planet is well placed or how this planet is placed in your personal chart. By that placement, we can see and we can predict how this planet will be able to check the balance or the plan that Saturn is making. So, to measure this global effect of Saturn and how it is going to affect a personal chart, we must look Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu and Mercury placement. Then we will be able to tell you all exactly how is Saturn going to influence you. For the public who are facing Sadesati, this Saturn may be a little more tougher. This will make the native much more emotional all the times. For such native, it will be a hard to control their emotional imbalances. So many mood swings will happen to this native who are facing Sadesati. Those all whatever I said till now was the Saturn's transit effect at social level, national level, international level. Now I will tell you some of the Saturn transits effect at personal level for a people, for general people at personal level. People may face some temporary limitations on matter of public respect or law and properly regulated government bureaucracies. Here it does not matter whether you are rich or poor or has some power. Everyone will be treated with same uniformity at this time by the Saturn, by the method of Saturn. No relaxation will be made to anyone. No matter if you are a very rich people, you will not be given any relaxation. Maybe you are an MP, you will not be given any relaxation. Hard rules may be imposed on elderly people and those who may influence society by some or other position. If someone is at importance or someone can influence the society, on them hard rules will be imposed. This Saturn will make people to look for their own safety first and then slowly start thinking about others' safety. First, for example, you have corona. Here, you must think about yourself first. I should not be infected. And then if you are not infected, you will not infect others. You are using mask whenever you are going outside. You are looking for your own safety and by that you are helping others also. Ground level reality will prevail over imposed or painted reality. Some people may show you that this is the real picture, but those all showing and painting will not remain anymore. People will start realizing what is the reality, what is ground level reality. Fake rumors will not sustain for longer times. People will start realizing about ideas of good governance. Government's ability to govern will be at risk and the effect will stay for a long time. Social supervision will start. People will feel less funny, more realistic. Romance will decrease. Individual entitlement will no longer remain valid or useful when all are treated very equally in the society. Government workers may have to sacrifice physically, mentally, and monetarily. Government officials, doctors, bureaucrats, regulators, policymakers, and legislators will have tough time to answer the public ongoing moods. There will be heavy pressure that will temporarily constrain normal order of social conduct at large, such as citizens seeking service from government offices. So many government offices will not be at your reach, and those all service will be provided. Right now court is closed. So if you need to take remedies from court, you may not be able to do that. Legal system will be partially suspended, or maybe legal actions may seem very low. Older person or conservative personalities may seem to have lots of influence on affairs of the public. This Saturn transit will make younger and more independent individual or people to feel disadvantaged, because Saturn will be working to bring diverse society into conformity and maintain uniform social structure. So this Saturn will bring strict hierarchy into the society. I think there is very uh, fast and hard wind blowing outside. But at the same point, if an individual may try like Sun, unique character, like Sun has unique character, or if they will think about their personal benefit, or may show like aggression of Mars, or may use the tools of Rahu, that is mobilizing the society for their own benefit, then it will be of no use. You will be put at the end of the social structure. People will start ignoring you. People will understand your reality. You will actually have to work for real social cause. Then Saturn's resources will be left open to you. This is not a time for opportunity, but for social responsibility. And now Saturn is already retro. So you need to know that the Saturn is ready to control more areas to gain what it wants. Before Saturn was direct, so it controlled how many places? The places where it was posited and places where it was laying its aspect. But now since Saturn is retro, Saturn will come back to its previous sign, zodiac sign, that is Sagittarius, and from there also it will aspect to its third house, to its seventh house, and to its 10th house. So here, being retro, Saturn is controlling more and more parts of your life. So you must know, you need not to neglect your responsibility. If you are given any responsibility, if you are responsible for any work, do your work properly. Finish your half left project. If you have promised to anyone, make sure you have kept your promise. If you are dutiful to anyone, make sure you are doing your duty properly. If you are in a work and you actually know very little about it, if you are not qualified for doing any work, you must stop doing that work. First, you need to make sure that you know everything about this work. Take time, learn, and then again you start that work. You will get more benefit and prominence. So that is why nowadays trenching will happen. People, or those who are giving works to you, what they will do, they will start putting out less skilled worker, and more skilled worker will be given prominence, because there will be less economical situations, so they need their work to be going on, and then again they need certain situations so that those people who are working are giving them better results, so less skilled workers will be taken out. So you need to learn your work properly, and then you need to start working. So you need to choose area of your work properly as per your expertise. Make sure your life is well maintained. What life? Routine life. You must wake up at right time, sleep at right time, eat at right time. So you need to make your routine life properly. And again, don't delay your work or its completion. If you have started a work, finish it. Complete it at right time. Do your work at proper time, as Saturn will block your progress. Always be responsible in your behavior, as your social ties and personal ties will be influenced and may be put to an end. Now in my coming video, I will be telling you all about Saturn's transit influence according to personal chart. If you liked my video, please like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.